Alden, it's your update. Masaya si Alden kasama ang kanyang fans na nag-celebrate ang 15 years anniversary at birthday niya. Ayan si Alden. Ayan yung speech ni Alden.
Masarap. Siyempre, gusto kong mag-thank you for food. Anyway, gusto kong magpasalamat sa each and every one of you for making this event possible. Hindi ako prepared today, actually, to see all of you guys in one place. Pero nakakatawa, ang dami kong nakita ulit after a long time. Siyempre yung mga nakasama ko before for almost a decade already. It brings me so much joy and happiness na kahit pa paano. Medyo parang for the past 2 years din kasi wala tayong mga ganap together. Dahil siyempre busy rin and nagkaroon din ng kabisingan kayo sa buhay nyo at the same time. But siyempre una sa lahat, this event will not be possible if not for siyempre sa Adonatics. Maraming salamat. Thank you for bringing all of the people who matter to me in one place. Siyempre kay Miss Nate, sa Lola Carlites ko, maraming salamat. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi ang tagal ko kayong hindi nakita. And seeing all of those things kanina sa BBB and all your messages right now, mas wala kayo, wala ako. Mas nai-inspire ko kesa nai-inspire ko kayo. That's how I see it. I think yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin, we are placed in certain places in our lives because we have a mission, we have a purpose of paying it forward, being good to other people, and of course, in all of the things we do, we showcase the love of God for us. I think that's what really matters. At the end of the day, kahit ano pang nararamdaman natin, may be good or bad, not all days are good days. But with the Lord, everything is perfect and everything is well taken care of. So, with everything na naibigay niyo sa akin for the past decades, to all my supporters, mainly you or yung nandiyan na talaga for the longest time, maraming salamat. You give me enough reason for me to keep on continuing what I've started. Hindi ko magagawa yung mga bagay na nagawa ko. Hindi ko mararating yung mga achievements na nagawa ko sa buhay ko at sa career ko if not for you guys. Kaya malaking part kayo, if not, you're a huge chunk of it. That's why masarap sa pakiramdam na nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin and yet naisasama ko kayo sa journey na yun at nabibigyan ko kayo ng inspiration to do the same in your own small way. Kasi in doing good deeds naman, hindi naman nagmamatter yung liit at laki. It's the intention. It's the purpose of doing good to other people. So maraming salamat. It's very nostalgic for me to be able to see all of you here, to see all of the past. Yung mga picture natin ng araw, especially to the people na nakasama ko for almost 15 years. Diba? So, yun, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa pagpaparamdam sa akin ng pagmamahal sa araw-araw kahit hindi tayo madalas nakikita. Because I'd like to believe that there's always love in absence. There's always love in distance regardless. You know? So, I think yun yung nagmamatter sa akin ngayon and that's the reason why laban lang tayo. May awa ang Diyos at makait ang Diyos. Maraming salamat. Pangalaman ko kayo.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.